This exceptionally livable floor plan has been designed with an engineer's attention to detail and located in incomparable Loweland area. Home has a state-of-the-art quartz kitchen with charming breakfast area. Master suite has had a complete floor-to-ceiling redo, marble floor in the foyer, classic plantation shutters, one fireplace or faux. Sun-filled living room with French doors and floor-to-ceiling windows, lovely formal dining, refinished hardwood floors. Approximately 850 square foot basement with outside access is perfect for workshop or storage for seasonal items. Home can easily be added onto from the rear of the home, or should one want to add an added floor on an upper level. Many possibilities with this floor plan for future uses.